CCleaner is a well-known system optimization tool that promises to clean junk files, improve performance, and enhance privacy. While it does help free up disk space by removing temporary files and cache, its impact on actual system speed is often negligible. Over the years, concerns about data collection and security vulnerabilities have affected its reputation, making some users skeptical about its reliability. Although it offers a user-friendly interface and automation features, modern operating systems have built-in tools that perform similar tasks without additional software. For casual users, it can be convenient, but for advanced users, it may seem redundant or even unnecessary.